Shin Chun is a professional manufacturer of screws in Taiwan. Let's make the world better. Lower drilling torque makes the job easier and faster. After years of research and testing, Shin Chun successfully developed Weiner Screw, a new product developed to reduce drilling torque. Weiner Screw. How to reduce drilling torque is an issue that has been constantly studied. There have been effective methods developed, for example, Type 17 or drill bits used on wood. These solutions do reduce drilling torque. Weiner Screw has been tested with Schatz VE Germany by ATS that proved the drilling torque of Weiner Screw is 30% lower than chipboard screw. However, the patented design of Weiner Screw thread enables fastening without substantially compromising the pull-out strength. The design of Weiner Screw is different from point-cutting products. This special diamond-type helical thread allows screw products to maintain higher pull-out strength. Instead of round-headed thread, the Weiner Screw features a diamond shape with jagged thread. In addition, the jagged thread design increases the function of cutting wood fiber. Furthermore, when driving screws into wood, the diamond type with jagged thread creates a larger space, which more sawdust will be inserted. It not only reduces drilling torque, but also decreases wood cracking. We provide a professional management team, the most complete service, higher quality equipment, and the most complete solution that make Shin Chun the best strategic partner for customers. Shin Chun Enterprise Company Limited.